Hello and welcome to medicinal chemistry classes. Today we will discuss about drug acting on endocrine system. So first of all we will see about endocrine system. So what is endocrine system? There are two types of gland present in human body. First is your endocrine gland and second is your exocrine gland. So what is mean by endocrine gland and exocrine gland? So endo means the internal, or crine means the to secrete, means internal secretion of hormones is called as endocrine gland. Or exocrine gland means, exo means your outer side secretion of hormones or enzyme is called as exocrine glands. Okay, so there are two types of gland. First is your endocrine gland and exocrine gland. So today we will discuss about endocrine systems. Okay, so what is endocrine system? So endocrine system is ductless system, so that the endocrine gland secretes the hormones and then directly transfer these hormones to your blood circulation, and through the blood circulation these hormone transfer directly to the target cell. So this is your endocrine system. Okay, so what is endocrine drug? So any types of drug that make change on endocrine gland secretion or synthesis, this drug activity is called as endocrine drug. Okay, so any drug that change the endocrine gland secretion, okay, this drug is your endocrine drug pharmacology or endocrine drugs. Okay, so endocrine system is controlled by hypothalamus and pituitary gland. It produces and releases hormone into the bloodstream or extracellular fluid, which regulate, coordinate the growth and development, regulation, reproduction, body defense, and electrolyte balance. Okay. So interior pituitary gland secretes the following hormones. First is your growth hormone, then your TSH means thyroid stimulating hormones, androcorticotropic hormones, and follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and prolactin. This is your hormone secretion by pituitary gland. So next is your steroids. So steroid, it is a biologically active organic compound. The steroid occur widely in all animal and plant kingdom. The word steroid is derived from sterols, which is naturally occurring steroidal alcohols. These drugs are commonly used in birth control, hormone replacement therapy, inflammatory condition, and cancer treatments. Okay, so this is your common steroid that is used. First is your cortisone. So this is your cortisone, and next is cortisone. So IUPAC name of cortisone is 7021 dihydroxyfreezine 4 in 31220 trione. So in 17 and 21 position, the hydroxyl group are present. At the 4 position, the double bond is present. That's why the 4 in is used in this nomenclature. Okay. Next example is your 17 beta estradiol. 17 beta estradiol. Okay. Next example is your testosterone. And last example is your 5 alpha androsten. So this is common steroids used The next common steroid is used. In steroid nomenclature, the substituent and hydrogen below the plane of ring are designed as alpha. Means the substituent present at below it design or it name as alpha, and it's shown dash bond or dash bond. Means these alpha substituent are shown in structure in dash bond or dash line, and the beta is shown in solid line. Okay, then the stereochemistry of hydrogen at C5 indicate the name of steroid. For example, 5 alpha estrin. The stereochemistry of other hydrogen atom indicate unless it differs from 5 alpha cholesterol. The substituent and steroid name are usual. The terms cis and trans are occasionally used in steroid nomenclature to indicate the backbone stereochemistry between the ring. The double bond specify the number of formation of double bond to conclude E and E. Means when the double bond present in ring, it's indicate E and E. Okay. If the double bond goes the higher number position, only the starting position will be specified. Also, end of the double bond needs to be specified. Okay. So next is your stereochemistry of the steroid. Chair and boat structure. The three-dimensional shape of the ring in the steroid skeleton are not planar, so that the substituent on the ring can be positioned on axial or equilateral of the ring. The cyclohexane flip conformation and ring D exist in half chair conformation. The steroids are rigid in structure because of the transfuse ring system, as these rings are di-equatorial to each other. The endogenous steroid skeleton contains two equatorial transfuse rings, one in between ring B and C, means at carbon C18 or carbon 8 and carbon 9, and another in between ring C and D, means carbon 13 and 14. So this is your chair and boat structures. Next part is your metabolism of steroid. Okay. So metabolism of a cholesterol to its major active metabolites androgen, estrogen, and among the metabolism in the urine are weakly active metabolites are androsterone and eticolons. The testosterone is not the active form of the hormone at many sites of action. Hence, it is converted into more active androgen metabolites reduced by 5-alpha reductase to yield 5-alpha dihydrosterone. Okay. The testosterone is a precursor of estradiol. Testosterone and androsterone can be converted into estrogen such as 17-beta estradiol or estrone by the process of aromatization. The aromatization is the process which carried out by cytochrome P450 aromatase. Okay. So metabolism of steroid. So in metabolism of steroid, so steroid is synthesis in adrenal gland and it regulate energy metabolism. Okay. So steroid जे आहे ते ॲड्रेनल ग्लँडमध्ये सिंथेसाइज होतात. ओके. आणि ते एनर्जी मेटाबोलाइटसाठी किंवा आपल्या स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्ससाठी किंवा साल्ट बॅलेन्स किंवा सेक्झुअल डेव्हलपमेंट अँड फंक्शनसाठी युटिलाइज होतात और किंवा ते फंक्शन रेग्युलेट करतात. ओके. So steroid is synthesized in adrenal gland and it regulate energy metabolize and stress response, self balance and sexual development and function. So all steroid synthesized from cholesterol. Okay. So this cholesterol in human body, cholesterol is a major constituent of cell membrane. Okay. So cholesterol is biosynthesis precursors of bile acid and essential for the digestion of fat. So all you know that the all steroids synthesized from the cholesterol. So metabolism of steroid. So in metabolism of steroid, what happened? The cholesterol transport into the mitochondrial matrix. Okay. So from mitochondrial matrix, it formed or it converted to cholesterol. It converted to pregnenolone. Okay. After that, the pregnenolone, it get converted into aldosterone. After that, the aldosterone it converted into when the cholesterol in presence of cyto P450, then the cholesterol transfer into the mitochondrial matrix and it converted into pregnenolone. Then the pregnenolone it converted into cortisol. Then this cortisol is again converted into aldosterone and testosterone. Okay, aldosterone and testosterone. After the conversion of aldosterone and testosterone, this aldosterone is converted into estrone and testosterone is aromatized into estradiol. Okay. After that, the testosterone is converted into dihydrotestosterone. So this is your metabolism of cholesterol. Thank you.